Welcome to Choice Champions. The best pool repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any pool owner, offering a quick and effective solution to those frustrating leaks and tears that can disrupt your aquatic oasis, ensuring you can get back to enjoying your pool without the hassle of costly professional repairs or prolonged downtime, making it an indispensable item for maintaining the pristine condition of your swimming sanctuary throughout the season. Number 5. Atlas Minerals 2-Part Pool and Spa Repair Putty. Introducing a revolutionary 2-part repair putty from Atlas Minerals. This easy DIY solution is designed to fix cracks and leaks in your swimming pool or spa. It works on a variety of surfaces including concrete and fiberglass. You can easily apply it to fix leaks whether they are underwater or above. This hand-moldable putty is safe and easy to use. Simply mix the 2 parts, mold it with your hands, and apply it directly to the damaged area. Once applied, it hardens even underwater, effectively stopping leaks and filling cracks. It is formulated to resist shrinking or sagging over time. The best part? You don't need to drain your pool to make repairs. This putty cures underwater, saving you time and effort. Don't let chipped or broken tiles ruin the look of your pool. Use this putty to easily repair and restore them to their former glory. Once cured, it maintains its color without fading to yellow. It stays hardened and won't shrink or sag, ensuring a long-lasting repair. What we like. This putty is incredibly easy to mold by hand and can be applied directly to leaks and cracks, even underwater. It cures without shrinking or sagging, maintaining its color over time. If you need a reliable, no-drain repair for concrete, fiberglass, or tile surfaces, this is your go-to solution. What people say. This kit is great for patching holes underwater. The adhesive is strong and holds well even when submerged. Easy to apply and effective for quick repairs. Number 4. Pool Above Heavy-Duty Vinyl Repair Patch Kit. Are you finding that your favorite inflatables are costing more each year? Instead of buying new ones, it's time to make the ones you have last longer. Our repair patches are made from heavy-duty, 1100 denier polyester canvas fabric. They are extrusion-coated with a waterproof and airproof flexible plastic for a superior, long-lasting adhesion. This kit is perfect for above-ground pool liners, inflatable pools, rafts, kayaks, and air mattresses. You can even use it to patch vinyl seats in your boat or golf cart. Whether your pool is full or empty, you can easily apply these patches. The kit includes a strong vinyl adhesive, an applicator, and transparent sheets for lightweight repairs. Made with pride in California, we are committed to providing the best possible repair for your inflatables. We stand behind our product and are here to help if you need us. Don't let a small tear ruin your fun. With our repair kit, you can extend the life of your valuable inflatables and save money. What we like. Featuring robust, heavy-duty patches and a strong waterproof adhesive, this kit is designed for longevity. It's perfect for patching pool liners, inflatables, boats, and more, both in and out of water. If you're looking to extend the life of your vinyl items and avoid frequent replacements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This kit is great for patching holes in vinyl pool liners. The adhesive is strong and holds well even underwater. Easy to apply and blends in with the liner color. Number 3. PVC Stitch Heavy-Duty Repair Kit. Tired of leaks and tears? Discover PVC Stitch, the revolutionary heavy-duty repair kit designed for all your inflatable and PVC needs. It's the durable solution you've been searching for. From air mattresses and hot tubs to pools and bouncy houses, this kit handles it all. Its unique liquid formula creates a permanent, waterproof patch without the need for extra materials. Repairing is easy. Simply apply the sealant to a clean, dry surface, and it's ready to use in just 2 to 3 hours. No complicated steps, just a reliable fix. This sealant is not only waterproof but also resistant to UV rays, heat, and cold. It provides superior adhesion and damage resistance, ensuring your repairs last. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, it repairs PVC and PU inflatables, outdoor gear, plumbing, and much more. Take it anywhere for on-the-go fixes. With a 2-year shelf life and simple room temperature storage, it's always ready when you need it. Get your PVC stitch kit today and say goodbye to leaks. What we like. This heavy-duty liquid PVC sealant creates a permanent patch that's ready in just 2 to 3 hours. It's resistant to heat, cold, and UV rays, making it ideal for a wide range of PVC and PU items like air mattresses, hot tubs, and pool liners. If you need a quick, durable, and weather-resistant repair for various inflatables and PVC items, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This pool repair kit is designed for underwater use, allowing for repairs without draining the pool. The kit includes a durable patch material that adheres effectively even when submerged. It is suitable for fixing leaks and tears in various pool surfaces, providing a reliable seal. Number 2. PVC Stitch Liquid Patch Kit. Tired of leaks in your inflatables? Discover PVC Stitch, the revolutionary liquid patch designed for all your PVC and PU gear. It's the durable, heavy-duty solution you've been looking for. Using it is incredibly easy. Simply apply the liquid sealant directly to the damaged area, and it dries into a permanent, waterproof patch. No extra materials needed, just a simple, effective repair. Get back to enjoying your inflatables quickly. It's ready for use in just 2 hours and reaches maximum strength for high-pressure applications within 6 hours. This adhesive is built to last. This versatile sealant is designed to withstand the elements. It's resistant to water, UV rays, heat, and cold, ensuring a reliable bond for all your outdoor and water gear. From air mattresses and pools to boats and kayaks, it's perfect for repairing a wide range of PVC and PU items. It provides high adhesion and easy handling for all your patching needs. Please note that this product is specifically formulated for PVC and PU materials and will not work on nylon-based items. Each tube contains 20 milliliters of transparent, long-lasting sealant. What we like. This liquid PVC patch offers a rapid 2-hour cure time and forms a permanent, highly adhesive bond. It's perfect for a variety of PVC and PU inflatables, including boats, kayaks, air mattresses, and pool liners. If you prioritize speed and a strong, lasting repair for your water gear, this product is an excellent fit. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for underwater pool repairs. It's incredibly easy to use, even for a beginner. The patches are durable and hold up well under water pressure. Number 1. AquaPro Liquid Patch Waterproof Repair Kit. Introducing the AquaPro Liquid Patch, your go-to solution for durable, heavy-duty repairs. It's saltwater ready and perfect for a wide range of inflatable items. Designed for convenience, it allows for easy patching and repair of most outdoor gear, even in field conditions. It works on PVC and PU inflatables, pool liners, hot tubs, and more. Repairing is straightforward. Ensure the area is clean and dry, apply the sealant evenly, and it's ready to use in just 2 hours at room temperature. This sealant offers superior water resistance, UV resistance, and is resilient to both heat and cold. Enjoy greater damage resistance with high adhesion and easy handling. From inflatable boats and kayaks to hot tubs and pool liners, this repair kit is incredibly versatile. It provides a strong, reliable seal for all your water gear. Each kit contains a 20 ml tube of sealant and a PVC mesh cord for robust repairs. It has a shelf life of 2 years and dries to a transparent finish. What we like. Designed for both freshwater and saltwater environments, this kit includes a mesh cord for added reinforcement on tiers. It's suitable for a wide array of gear, from inflatable boats and SUPs to pool liners and hot tubs, and can be applied underwater. If you need a robust, versatile repair solution for watercraft and pool equipment that can handle tough conditions, this is the one. What people say. This is a great product for patching holes in pools. It is easy to use and works well. I was able to repair my pool liner with this kit and it looks like new again. The patches are strong and durable and have held up to the water pressure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.